Hello and welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to log into Amazon credit card online. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your preferred web browser from your mobile device or your computer, and in the web address bar type in amazon.syf.com and you'll be able to end up in this page. To access your credit card account, you'll need to go ahead and enter your credentials for your Synchrony bank since your Amazon credit card is issued by Synchrony. Go ahead and enter your user ID into the user ID text box in order to access your account. On the next field where it says password, type in your correct password. If you don't remember your user ID or password, tap on the Forgot My User ID or the Password link and follow through the process. After filling in your user ID and password, tap the Secure Login button in yellow in order to log in and access your Amazon credit card. That is how it can be easily done. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.